Hey everyone, want to make serious cash online with AI? This video reveals 3 and a bonus side hustles perfect for beginners. We'll focus on ethical content creation to build successful channels the right way. Let's dive in. Side hustle hash 3. Content conversion, make money from existing videos. This exciting side hustle might be new to you. It involves taking advantage of the shift from long-form video platforms like YouTube to short-form content on apps like TikTok. Here's the breakdown. Part 1. Turning long videos into short, engaging clips. The opportunity. Millions flock to short-form video content, presenting a lucrative opportunity for creators who can identify and repurpose valuable content from longer videos. Channels dedicated to this strategy are already experiencing massive success. The challenge. Manually sifting through long videos to find the best parts and then editing them into captivating short clips can be extremely time-consuming. The AI solution. Luckily, AI tools like Jarvis, formerly known as Jarvis AI, can automate this process. You can simply input a long-form video link and Jarvis will generate dozens of short clips with high viral potential. It even adds captions to make them more engaging. Part 2. Expanding your reach with multilingual content. The limitation. Most channels produce content in just one language, limiting their audience. Manually translating videos is expensive and impractical. The AI solution. AI translation tools like ElevenLabs allow you to seamlessly translate entire videos into different languages with just a few clicks. Imagine creating an English video and then using ElevenLabs to create Spanish, French, and German versions, all automatically. Side hustle hash 2. YouTube automation with a twist. Create high-quality videos without showing your face. YouTube automation can still be a profitable side hustle, especially with the help of AI. Here's a unique twist on this method. The opportunity. Channels like Faxverse create captivating videos with interesting narratives without ever showing a face. They rely on images, stock footage, and high-quality voiceovers to keep viewers engaged. These longer videos often have higher RPMs, revenue per thousand views, compared to short-form content, leading to potentially greater earnings. The challenge. Traditionally, creating these videos involves extensive research, script writing, voiceover recording, visual editing, and more. The AI solution, a combination of AI tools, can streamline this process. Use a tool like DownSub to download transcripts of successful videos in your niche. Leverage a script writing AI like Shortly AI, formerly known as Bard, to generate ideas and even write scripts based on those transcripts, ensuring a natural flow. Platforms like InVideo.io allow you to create entire videos using the written script. Choose background music, a voiceover style, and visuals, and the AI will automatically generate a high-quality video for you. You can even make adjustments after the video is created. Side hustle hash 1. Automated short-form video creation. Go viral on TikTok and Shorts. Short-form video platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are exploding in popularity. Here's how to leverage AI to create viral content. The opportunity. Channels like Life Lessons Learned create original short videos with engaging stories and morals without ever recording themselves. These videos go viral daily, generating significant income even with lower RPMs compared to longer videos. The challenge. As with all video creation, scripting is crucial for success. Additionally, finding visuals and editing everything together can be extremely time-consuming for short-form content. The AI solution. Here's a powerful workflow to create high-quality shorts. Use Shortly AI again, but with a different prompt. Instruct it to create a new script based on the downloaded transcript, maintaining the core message, but adding a fresh twist to make it unique and still potentially viral. Once you have a captivating script, ShortX AI comes into play. This platform allows you to create short-form videos entirely through automation. Simply paste your script, choose AI-generated visuals, keeping the style cinematic and engaging, and select a voiceover option. ElevenLabs offers voices. ShortX AI will even generate captions and edit everything together, including transitions and effects, for a polished final product. ShortX AI goes the extra mile by providing a virality score after the video is created. This score helps you gauge the potential success of your content. Bonus side hustle. The opportunity. TikTok's creativity program incentivizes creators to post long-form videos, over 1 minute, by offering a much higher RPM compared to YouTube Shorts, potentially reaching $1 per 1,000 views. Creators are already capitalizing on this program to generate significant income, even without showing their faces or recording original content. Follow the same workflow as detailed in Side Hustle Hash 1, but keep in mind the longer video format required for TikTok's creativity program. When using ShortX AI, ensure the video stays within the 1-minute limit for the program. You can shorten the script or leverage Shortly AI to create a concise yet engaging narrative. There you have it. AI can be a powerful tool for online content creation. Leverage these strategies, prioritize ethical content, and build your channels for long-term success. With dedication and AI, turn these side hustles into real income.